Hi there! Glad you could join us for the OSR pre-deployment orientation. We'll be discussing things related to keeping our facilities in top shape, safe, and orderly. These include the 5 S's of good housekeeping and current good manufacturing practices, or CGMP. Every company strives to improve its operations. Victoria's Milling Company, for its part, has elevated its food safety and quality management systems to earn certifications from local as well as international accrediting agencies. ISO since November 1999. Halal IDCP since February 2006. Halal HDIP since August 18, 2016. CGMP since August 2010. HACCP since March 2012. And FSSC 22000 since February 2016. To maintain this status, VMC commits to do the following. Provide consistent services and safe quality products that meet or exceed the standards of our customers as well as our own. Initiate continuous improvement of our integrated management systems, including Quality Management System, Halal Assurance System, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Points, Good Manufacturing Practices, and Food Safety Standards. Protect stakeholders' interests through full compliance with statutory and regulatory requirements. And encourage all employees to ably carry out their responsibilities with regard to our integrated management systems. Now, let's move on to the 5 S's of good housekeeping. Number 1. Sort. Keep unnecessary items out of the workplace. Number 2. Systematize. Arrange necessary items in a logical manner. Number 3. Sweep. Clean your workplace thoroughly, keeping dust off floors, machines, and equipment. Number 4. Sanitize. Maintain the high standard of housekeeping in the workplace at all times. Number 5. Self-discipline. Train people to practice good housekeeping. Why do we prioritize good housekeeping? Good housekeeping promotes quality, safety, productivity, clean work environment. How does good housekeeping help? Having a proper place for everything helps in keeping inventory of every item. Knowing the purpose of every item leads to the disposal of unwanted materials, resulting in a low inventory, which means less cost. Maintaining everything in its proper place enables an identification system in the department. Encouraging discipline in the department, aside from eliminating search time, which all funnels to overall improved productivity and higher morale. The mark of a job well done is efficiency. At VMC, we've expressed the concept in a campaign called One or Less. 1 location, 1 day processing, 1 file projects, 1 hour meetings, 1 page memos, 1 copy filing, 1 minute telephone calls, 1 time work. Let's make 5S our way of life at VMC. Next up, let's learn about current good manufacturing practices, or CGMP. This refers to standardized practices to reduce chemical, physical, and biological food safety hazards. This refers to a set of guidelines for food manufacturers in order to assure that the food produced is of good quality and is safe for human consumption. Fulfillment of CGMP covers the following elements: personnel hygiene, refers to the establishment of policies and facilities to ensure the practice of personal hygiene on the part of all personnel, visitors, and contractors. Plant and grounds. Plant facilities and maintenance methods are designed to avoid the risk of contamination of food materials. Sanitary operations. Our equipment are designed and constructed to facilitate cleaning, disinfection, and maintenance. Sanitary facilities. Personnel shall have adequate facilities such as clean toilets, lockers, pantry, and hand-washing facilities to help maintain personal hygiene and prevent cross-contamination. Equipment and utensils shall be kept free from iron flakes, rust, iron filings, and other foreign materials. Processing and controls. Temperature, humidity, pH levels, steam pressure controls, and other process variables. As vital parts of operations, these controls and gauges must be kept in pristine state, aiding efficiency and safety. Warehousing and distribution. Systems are also in place to ensure cleanliness, such as first in, first out, or FIFO. Storage must be kept free from contaminants, pests, and leaks. Factors that affect GMP. When diligently implemented, all these elements contribute to the quality of our product, food that is worthy of our customers. Our personnel's hygiene and the design of our manufacturing plant ensure that the food is safe. Our equipment and facilities, when properly maintained, produce food that is clean. Our processes and facilities, from manufacturing to storage all the way to the distribution stage, protects the food so it is kept fresh as they reach our customers. Why the need to implement good manufacturing practices? Consumer food safety can never be compromised. While standards for quality attributes may vary depending on the need of the customers, standards for food safety attributes are fixed. These standards are mandated by regulatory requirements such as the Food Safety Act of 2013 and the Consumer Act of the Philippines. VMC's customers and the government demand that all food must be safe for human consumption, and rightfully so. Therefore, for any business to survive in the food industry, the commitment to food safety must be non-negotiable. To that end, a simple but indispensable practice is proper hand-washing technique. It has long been proven that dangerous microbes cannot thrive on our hands as long as proper hand-washing technique is practiced. Proper hand-washing technique. Wet both hands with water thoroughly. Apply enough hand or liquid soap to thoroughly cover both hands. Rub the palms of your hands together. Rub the back of both hands alternately with palm and fingers interlaced. Rub each fingers of both hands alternately with locked hands using rotational movement. Rub tips of both fingers alternately on the opposite palm in a circular motion. Rub both hands alternately with the opposite hand to cover the whole surface from wrist to elbow. Rinse both hands thoroughly with running water. Dry both hands thoroughly using an air dryer or utilize one-time use paper or a clean towel. Apply hand sanitizer if available. Let's look at other areas of consideration with regard to CGMP. Adequate drainage and waste disposal systems and facilities are to be provided and well maintained. They are specifically designed to avoid food contamination as well as pest infestation. Proper garbage disposal. Containers for waste should be specifically identifiable, suitably constructed, and, where appropriate, such as for hazardous substances, be made of impervious material. Conversely, these are examples of improper garbage disposal. With further experience, you can surely think of other ways to apply the principles of CGMP, as well as expertly practice good housekeeping for the benefit of our industry. Thank you for your time.